Habaikran beginong Shnong Mawlai Mawlai, DGP ka Meghalaya Ulajaram Bishnoi, Ulasham Bakani Kathan, Kadon Hapreng Kajing Shong Suk Shong San, Light no Tang Kajing Trium Kabadan Namar Kajing Kai, Bar Kajing Kerni drugs. Habaikran Meglab Kubor DGP Ulong Bakatrat Pulit Kadonka Megajing Tre Langi Paiba, Knang Ban La Ban Pindu Pandam no, Yakani Kajing Trium Kabadan Haki Imlang Salang. DGP Ulay Turu Bahaki Katu Kani Kidong Jongathan Mawlai. Kidon gibre kibuan na kitay Nongpyndonkam na kabanta ban wat kam wat jam hang ni hasor shalong hinre kingop wat ha ka jingti drugs.
Thanks. What is your name? Hello. How are you? Which year you are? You are from which area? William Nagar. East Garo. And you are studying here in class which semester?
Fifth semester.
Fifth semester. You are finding it okay? Okay. How are you? You are from which place? Ampatti. Ampatti means the southwest Garo Hills. Okay. So you are staying in hostel here?
Yes, sir.
And feeling home? Or missing home?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes you miss home. Okay, good. And
Because only one problem is that too many tenants. Because of tenants, there's problems.
okay, too many tenants, they have come from outside and living in rented houses.
All from a rural area.
From rural background. Are they creating some problem?
Sometimes they
So many tenants around there.
So many tenants are here.
From the yesterday.
From countryside, from rural
The
areas.
now should know what the law
Are they creating problem?
No, they have some problems somewhere else, but then problems
Somewhere else, but not in your area.
No.
Because you are here. That is why this area is peaceful. Okay. ठीक है, सिद्धार्थ. And I found that by and large the localities are peaceful. And in some localities, people particularly from countryside who come here for jobs, for labor work and others, sometimes they resort to substance abuse and drug trafficking. So I requested all the Darbar Sdang members and headmen that you please arrange the our interaction with those youth who have fallen prey to drug abuse, and we want to help them. Because I was told many things about Mawlai, and after knowing all those things, many things we can forget. We tend to forget. But when the people involve us, then we can learn many new things also. So I found that Mawlai area is inhabited by the highly literary citizens here, and they are highly educated and the peace loving. Many of them are in the service, many of them are doing their business. So people are by and large, they cooperate with the police, and if need arises, we can increase the patrolling in this area, because of late some complaints keep coming about the drug trafficking. So drug trafficking is the cause of concern in some localities, not in all localities of Mawlai, only in some areas particularly. So there we will take help of the Darbar Sdang, and we will go ahead. We have come here not only to familiarize with the area, but also seek the cooperation of the people. If they come forward and help us, then jointly, unitedly, we can overcome this problem.
Sir, any plan to other locality in Shillong to visit?
Yeah. Every week we will plan to visit the different localities and interact with all the Darbar Sdang headmen and members and seek their cooperations, and also familiarize ourselves with the localities. I will interact with the youth, particularly those youth who are doing well in study and sports, so that they can join us in our endeavors and they can motivate others.
Sir, as we know that people's public relationship in Mawlai are not so much to the mark, as we seen also some instances where people's here, they don't allow even to enter police personnel. What do you have to say, and what is your idea of working to make public police relationship better here?
So we will concentrate on more and more interaction with the citizens here, so that if any misunderstanding is there, if any mistrust is there between police and citizens, that can be removed. So my aim is to develop friendly rapport with the citizens here and take their help in policing also, and we will also help them and also seek their help. So unitedly we can preempt the crimes, we can prevent the crime. So we want to involve the citizens in general, and the Darbar Shnong members in particular be a part of our crime prevention strategy. Because many crimes can be prevented if the people come forward with information, we will help them. Our main aim is to help the people and not to harass them.